Good day. Welcome back to our channel. This is Given from Techno Drive. Today we've got a Hisense 55-inch TV. It's a model number Ledn55K366X3D. This TV has got a problem. When you switch it on, you can see that the backlight is on, but there's nothing on the screen. It doesn't show anything on the screen. So today we're going to work on it, and then we can see how to solve this problem. I'm going to switch it on before so that we can have a look. You can see what I mean when I say the backlight is on. Then we can take it further. Okay, I've got the TV open now. So, like I mentioned already, the TV has got no picture. There's no picture at all, but there's backlight. So when you turn it on, you can see that there's light coming on, but there's no picture. Let me turn it on again. Then we can see what is the backlight. If you take a look here on the walls, right across, you will see there. You see now the backlight is on. So it shows you that the backlight is on, but there's no picture. If you turn and let me turn it quickly. Okay, you can see now there's no picture at all. The other way to test the backlight is to just gently press. Don't press it too hard, just a little bit. You see now, if I press this backlight, this LCD, you can see the light spreading. So that shows you that the backlight is on, but there's nothing on the screen. So what you are seeing there is the backlight that's reflecting on the screen. So now I'm going to turn it back. Let's turn it back, and then we can take a look and see where is the problem. Okay, if the TV comes on like that and the backlight is on, but there's no picture at all on the screen, we have to isolate. It could be the main board or the Tcon board. It can't be the power supply because the power is there to supply the backlights and all other electronics. So the power supply is all right. So now we've got this power supply out. We're not going to touch it. Power supply is all right. But we have to look at these two boards. These two boards are the main cause for not having picture. So what we do, we have to isolate. We have to isolate to see which board is faulty here. So this board is connected to the screen. So this one is a main board that processes the signal. So what we're gonna do, we've got a machine that we use to test the signals. This is a TV160 machine. So what's happening is we're gonna remove this cable, connect it onto this machine. Then by that, this machine, it resembles the screen, the LCD there. So if we remove this cable, connect it here, then we see something or the picture on on this module, then we know that the problem is not on the on the main board. The main board is processing signals. That's why we get those signals, because those signals will be coming from the main board. That's what I'm gonna do now. Let's take out the cable. This cable is called the LVDS cable, low voltage differential signal cable. Just gonna remove it. Okay, this cable, we connect it here. So you must remember this cable carries power as well. There's a 12 volts that comes in here. So this machine, to test the 12 volts, we have to see the red light coming on there. So if the red light comes on there, and then the board is supplying voltage and the LVDS signals. Just gonna put it nicely so that we can see. Okay, let me power it on, then we can see what's happening. This is our screen. The 12 volt is on. Then there's a blue screen. There is Hisense. So what does that tell you? Obviously, I've already explained this board is not a problem, because if you look at it, our signals are coming from the air. So this blue screen, it's actually the signals that comes from the TV. If I press menu here, You see there the menu comes on the test screen. So this is the test screen that we use to test the main boards and the LVDS signals. So now we've already isolated the problem. We know now that the problem is not on the main board. The problem lies on the Tcon board. So I'm going to quickly remove the Tcon board, and then I will put another one. To remove the Tcon board, just take out this. Then the screws for the board. And there's these clips. Okay, here is our another Tcon board, exactly the same model. So now we're gonna replace this one. It's the old one. We are going to install this one in. Okay, we've got our Tcon board installed. Let's put back the bracket. Okay, we're gonna put back our cable, the LVDS cable. Okay, now we're going to turn the TV up so that we can see if there's a picture. Okay, I'm gonna power it on. There's a white light. There is Hisense. So this TV now it's working. The problem was definitely on the Tcon board. There is a blue screen. You see those signals that we're seeing on that screen there. Now they're back on the normal screen. So this TV is now repaired. We are going to close it, let it run for some time, then we're gonna book it out. Thank you for watching. Hope this TV can help you. If you've got a problem similar like this, please contact us. You've got a link on the description. Check on the description, then you can contact us there. And if you want to buy Tcon boards as well, you can also order it online there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.